Ruth Ginsburg, born in 1933 in Brooklyn, into a middle-class Jewish family that firmly believed in the pursuit of justice and the compassionate helping of others. She was, of course, a straight-A student. If there were B's, the entire Ginsburg family went into mourning. She attended the James Madison High School, where there were an unusually large number of instructors who held PhD degrees. She was a member of the Honor Society. She played cello in the school band, and incredibly, she was a baton twirler, and she was a member of the Student Athletic Booster Society. And during this time, her mother, Celia, was fighting a losing battle with ovarian cancer, and she died just 2 days before her daughter's high school graduation. Ginsburg faced considerable anti-Semitism at the Ivy League college, Cornell, that she had chosen to attend, but her love of literature, of writing, reading, led her to take Vladimir Nabokov's European literature classes, and this greatly helped her in understanding the vital importance of word choice and placement. Her law school experience was typical for the day. There weren't even any women's bathrooms available, and she had to suffer the infamous dinner party hosted by Dean Irvin Griswold, who questioned the few female law students in attendance. "What are you doing at Harvard Law School, taking a position that could have gone to a man?" Well, later, working at the ACLU as a women's rights project attorney, she was immersed in such issues as the unequal application of tax and inheritance law, unequal women's pay, and the lack of female jurors serving on criminal cases. Her brilliant career included 2 years working on a comparative law project in Sweden, when she wrote many papers and essays and articles, eventually returning to take up a position at the faculty of Rutgers University Law School, where she was subjected to overt gender-biased pay disparity. In 1980, in June 1980, President Jimmy Carter appointed her to the District Court of Appeal for the D.C. Circuit, a position generally considered to be training ground for the Supreme Court. And indeed, in 1993, President Bill Clinton appointed her to the bench, where she made her mark immediately with her zealous research, her robust discussions with colleagues and clerks, and her meticulous writing. Her health issues, her determination to keep on working, her devotion to her large and extended family, and her love of opera and the arts are renowned. She is one of the few remaining liberal justices in the Supreme Court, greatly concerned with civil rights issues. And she has become somewhat of a national cultural icon. She is the subject of several books, at least 2 movies, and has earned the moniker the notorious RBG. She is undoubtedly one of the most brilliant, courageous, and hard-working women of our time, Ruth Bader Ginsburg.